Saya dan Mbak Ana Bule mau mulai. So today you gotta try. No, you.
Okay.
Ta-dam! This is the magic fruit. Ini buah yang
Siap.
siap. Pinky promise.
Pinky promise. We are ready.
You see this,
Yeah.
Pinky promise? Anna, but if you're not feeling good, this is part of the secret.
Halo semua, apa kabar? Semoga baik-baik aja ya. Dan hari ini Mbak Ana Bule dan Mbak Tina Bule.
Halo semua, apa kabar? How was it? Semoga
Semoga baik-baik aja ya.
lucunya dia. Gimana ya yang nggak korek? Minta tulis di komentar ya. Biar Ana belajar juga. So, kalau pengen tahu kita apain hari ini, ngomong nggak apa harus nonton video ini ya. Tapi sebelum nonton videonya, jangan lupa
Subscribe
dan loncengnya juga ya. Yuk, kita mulai. Tina Bule's Adventure. Oke, jadi saya pikir saya dan Mbak Ana Bule mau mulai hunting makanan Indonesia. Jadi nanti kita cari makanan Indonesia, terus cobain makan, kita review. Jadi ya nanti masakan tradisional banget dari Indonesia kita mau coba bersama berdua, karena kan orang bule tapi pasti lidahnya beda juga. Tapi hari ini Ana harus bikin durian challenge. Kalau ini berhasil, nanti kita mulai adventure kita hunting makanan Indonesia.
Ya.
So today you gotta try. No, you.
Okay.
No, not us. You. Halfatam today.
Okay.
So only Ana hari ini harus coba durian challenge, karena saya sudah pernah makan durian 2 kali, sama Deddy Corbuzier di acara Hitam Putih dan sama Katura. So Ana,
Yeah.
if you pass this durian challenge today, then we will start hunting Indonesian food that I promise you is gonna be much better.
Oh, okay. I'm ready.
So Ana, have you ever tried before durian?
Not yet. Belum.
Jadi Ana belum pernah coba durian. Okay, so Ana, you wait here. I bring the magic weapon. Jadi Ana tunggu di sini, saya bawa makanan yang paling enak. Ta-dam! This is the magic fruit. Ini buah yang magical. Gimana magical kalau bahasa Indonesia? Magical aja ya.
Magic in the air.
Yeah.
Magic in the air.
Everywhere you look around. Da-na-na-na-na. Are you ready? Is the question.
Iya.
Siap.
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 No,
katanya.
siap.
No, okay. Do you know how to open it?
No, I think like this.
No, yes.
Oh. Yeah.
Oh wait, we try better from this side. Let's 1, 2, 3.
Woohoo. Yeah.
Anna, help. So we both suffer.
Yeah. Ini yang tahu. Yeah.
Wow. Ooh.
Ooh la la.
Anna.
Yeah.
Wait, let's see which one we can open better. Oh, this one. Look, I got a little one for you. Jadi buat Ana yang kecil ini. So Ana, you gotta try it, and after you try it, I have a secret for you to tell you.
Oh gitu.
Rahasia karena dia belum dengar rahasia ini. So better you take this one. I think this one is a bit overcooked. Here I prepare some tissues for you. Jadi udah siap tisunya juga.
Saya suka this one.
Oh, okay. Silakan. Dia suka this one.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh, yang paling
Looks
besar
so
dia.
soft. I think you want
Laler, dapat laler juga mau
you want
durian.
also durian.
Okay, Ana.
Let's try.
How is the smell?
Wow, the special smell.
Dia bilang
Boy.
sangat spesial.
Really
baunya.
special.
Okay, go.
I think I hope it's better than my expectation. Okay.
Semoga lebih enak dari ekspektasinya
Oke.
dia.
Let's go, followers. Web. What should I say?
You need to say the truth. Jadi dia tanya saya,
No,
saya harus
for
bilang
me-
apa?
Oh, it's something new, guys. Yeah, but maybe I'm not ready for this fruit.
Dia belum siap buat buah ini.
Gak apa-apa, it's okay.
Nah,
No, it's okay. You like it?
it's not as good as my expectation.
No, sister.
Sister from another mister.
Yeah. No,
No, jadi my
actually
sister
it's
from
good.
another mister.
Actually, it's good. It's so soft, but it's really so but specific for me.
Specific taste,
yeah.
Okay, eat more then.
Yeah.
Oke, dia bilang, enak tapi begini-begini, ya udahlah kalau suka makan lagi.
Yeah. Yeah.
Iya.
Enough. Yeah, it's okay.
Iya, it's not okay. More.
Ah, really?
No, jadi kita harus punya kosong yang kosong. So we need to have one empty.
Oh, really? Okay, this one. The first one. Oh my god, wow. Yeah.
No, don't eat that one. Udah kenal mejanya, jangan.
Beautiful.
No, ini
I'm full.
udah nggak mau ya?
No, maybe someone want. No, let's.
Nah, jadi
show me
bapak
your
kameramen mau. Mau katanya ini makan. Ini biar habisin. Ini ambil.
Show me your surprise.
This is my surprise. What do you mean?
No, you tell me that you have
That's all
some
the secret, not to
Oh,
subscribe.
Subscribe.
Subscribe. Okay, so you wanna finish this one, so we have an empty one. Dia
Okay.
harus habisin satu biar ada satu kosong.
Now I will do more. Hati-hati ya.
Hati-hati ya, karena licin ya.
Oh,
Oke.
yeah, I did it. That's right. Wait. No, guys. Oh, Indonesian fruit. I think it's done.
Udah ya?
Udah.
Udah, ini. Tisu.
Woi.
Oke, so Ana harus makan lagi dong, biar kontennya seru. You need to eat more so our content is good. Which one you want?
Oh, I found my size.
Enggak boleh ah.
Wow, so big. Woi.
How is it, Ana?
No, it's okay. For me, it's
Tangannya udah mulai gerak
special.
begitu.
Yeah, I'm not ready. Yeah,
Oh.
maybe later I will like it more. We'll see.
But you need some water?
Yeah, I think so. Ya,
Parah.
mau air,
Mau minum dia.
mau minum ya. Terima kasih banyak.
Oh, Ana, but if you're not feeling good, this is part of the secret.
Ah, really?
Jadi kita bilang rahasianya ya. Okay, because you don't like the taste, right? The taste in your mouth? Okay.
Yeah.
So, because you don't like this and you start feeling bad, right? Like your stomach? So we will put a little bit of water here, and for the taste to be gone, you need to drink the water from here. They say so, it's like a myth. Jadi saya bilang ceritain sama Ana juga, ini mitosnya adalah kalau minum airnya langsung dari ini case durian. Katanya rasanya nanti baunya dari mulut hilang. Okay, go
Yeah,
try to
special
see.
cup.
Yes.
Oh,
Is it working?
yeah, really working.
Really?
No, really, no, I didn't feel it so
You want more?
so strong. No, udah.
Udah?
Yeah.
Oke. Jadi, kalau pengen lihat, karena saya ceritain tadi, nanti kita mau explore hunting makanan Indonesia asli. Mungkin bisa kalau ada makanan yang penonton dan subscriber kita pengen kita coba atau ya test food gitu, minta tulis di komentar ya. So I'm asking them like later if they have ideas for us because we want to start this hunting for food and what they want us to try.
Saya suka.
Oke, jadi saya bingung deh. Gimana ya? Aku bilang sama Ana kita mulai hunting makanan Indonesia kalau dia PES challenge ini. Tapi gimana ya? Ana PES atau enggak ya challenge ini? Did you PES or no this challenge? Cause I don't know.
Of course I'm ready.
But you eat just a little. Oh, this
No.
also you eat.
No, you see? Yeah. I'm ready, guys.
Are you?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Pinky promise.
Pinky promise. We are ready.
You see this?
Yeah.
Pinky promise? You're ready?
Yes, I'm ready. No, really.
Jadi karena dia sudah siap, udahlah. I close my eyes this time and you pass this challenge.
Yay!
Tangan.
So, guys, please tell me what you like, so I will eat it.
Aha. Jadi mungkin begini. Coba ceritain makanan paling suka buat penonton dan subscriber kita, yang paling suka dan yang paling aneh. Gimana? Karena pasti ada ya mungkin kalau buat lidah bule banyak yang aneh karena mungkin manis, daging manis atau gimana ya. Begitulah kalau mungkin pikir itu paling suka atau paling aneh buat kita berdua.
So, best of the best Indonesian food.
And the weird one.
And the weird one, yeah. And not only food, drinks also.
Oh, minuman boleh juga ya, betul.
Yeah.
Ah ya, nanti Ana harus coba juga in our hunting jamu. I already did a video with jamu.
Oh gitu.
Oh gitu? Jadi nanti kalau kita nggak enak badan, aku bawa Ana ke tukang jamu biar di make it good again. So this jamu is this traditional drink because most Indonesians don't like to drink so many pills. So like beside like the Panadol or like whatever for the flu, they prefer to take the this jamu. So it's a traditional drink with like traditional ingredients inside.
Oh.
Jadi saya tadi ceritain ke Ana apa itu jamu yang sehat kan, sehat jamunya karena ada banyak orang Indonesia yang ya mereka minum obat cuman kalau sudah parah gitu, tapi kalau masih bisa mending dari jamu pasti pilih itu ya. Oh iya, dan Ana banyak subscriber saya yang tanya Instagramnya Mbak Ana apa ya?
Oh.
So what's your full name and what is your Instagram?
My full name Anna Vitkovskaya. So please follow me in Instagram Anna Vitkovskaya.
Yay,
So
nanti
check
kita,
it comment because it's so hard for you, I know.
nanti kita punya link di deskripsi juga dan nanti ada di mana ya? Di sini mungkin? Di sini, di mana ya? Nanti ada ditulis di layar juga Instagramnya Mbak Ana.
Ya, terima kasih banyak.
Dan kalau suka video ini jangan lupa subscribe
Like dan komen.
dan loncengnya juga ya. Terima kasih dan sampai jumpa.
Sampai jumpa. Dadah.
Dadah.